everyone, I finally have another video and I'm showing you some reuse I've done in the past and how I'm decorating this new set I purchased from Bed Bath & Beyond. I got to do my mantle and my door on my front porch. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and now we can get started. The set I purchased was $60 on sale, and it still is $60. I will link it down below. I recommend grabbing it quickly as the price may change. The set came with 2 trees, 2 garlands, and a wreath, all of which light up. So I put the trees outside. I wanted them to flank my front door on my porch, and I am using this rug I purchased in the summertime from Five Below. It is a 3x5 outdoor rug, and it is of course in my favorite color scheme, black and white, so it's perfect for my front porch. It fit right under the little stoop under my front door, and I'm just using the trees to hold it down as it has been rolled for a long time, and putting a corner of it under the bench I DIY'd from the Restore to help it stay down as well. If you did miss that video, I will link it down below. It's one of my more recent DIYs that I've done. And so the trees fit perfectly on either side of the door. Like I said, they did come lighted, but I do not have an outdoor light switch or outlet for these, so I'm going to be adding lights. And I'm adding this rug I purchased from Target on clearance last year. I think I got it for about $5. Here are the lights I ordered from Amazon. They have 9 settings, which is amazing, so you can set them to light up when you want. You can also put them on a timer, and they come with a remote control, which is what I needed because I don't necessarily want to run outside every evening in the freezing cold to turn these lights off. So I'm just wrapping them around the tree and bedding them in as deep as possible. I encourage you to join me on TikTok and Instagram at Fluttering Through. So I finally got the lights on, and I'm checking them out to make sure they function and the remote controls work, as you can see here. And then I'm going to be adding some bulbs. I got some sleeves of gold bulbs from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to add a little more glam to these, as gold is a primary metallic I use in my design spaces, and they worked out really well. I'm so glad for them. I only needed 1 sleeve too, so these trees are about 4 foot tall, so they didn't require a lot of bulbs or decor for that matter. They come frosted. They've got the frosted cranberries and a few pine cones on them as well, so they look very outdoorsy. I wasn't going for a pattern with my bulbs. I just placed them on where I thought they'd look good and just made sure they were spread out enough to look nice on the tree and not crowded. This is what my porch looks like before I put the lights on in the evening. It turned out really well, and I love the black and white from the rug from Five Below. And here's everything at night with the lights going crazy. I had them on like a fluttering pattern. This setup was super easy as everything came pre-packaged, and it cost me very little to get a nice look on my porch. I'm gonna move on to my mantle, which I'm so excited to decorate. I'm using the garland from the set I purchased, and I am just fluffing it up. Of course, the snow falls everywhere, so I had to come back and vacuum later on. But just fluffing it out. There are plugs on either end of the garland, and luckily you do get two. As you can see, this is not long enough for my mantle, so I will be stacking the two and sort of staggering them across the mantle after I fluff everything up and clean up all the snow that fell on my tile beneath the mantle. So I'm laying the second one on, and I am going to plug them in together, and then the primary plug to my outlet will be on the right of the screen, and that'll help everything light up. I do add in a few picks I picked up from Dollar Tree. They're the gold leaf ones with some gold poinsettias and some gold sparkly pine cones on them. Again, adding in the metallic of my choice. And I add a couple of trees I purchased from the dollar spot at Target, or the Bullseye Playground. They're green and they match my file cabinets that I repainted a while ago. I'll link that video down below as well if you missed that project. Here's everything lit up. It turned out so beautiful, and I especially love this at night when I'm sitting on the couch watching Netflix. Getting to do a little bit of decor this year was a special treat for me, as I've not been able to decorate my house for the holidays. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram, as I will be posting additional videos there. And I have some more projects, some last minute holiday decor projects that I need to get done too, so I will likely post them there. Bye!